Hello everyone, myself Priya Harish Tejwani, roll number 40 from Standard 7th A LLBP DZ Patel Primary English Medium School. Do you like to eat food like pizza, burger, noodles, etc.? But have you ever wondered what happens to all this food when it enters our body? The food inside our body gets digested and the waste products after the digestion is excreted out of the body. But wait, what is digestion? Digestion means the breakdown of complex substance into similar substance is called digestion. So come on, let's gain more knowledge about the human digestive system. Let's know the parts of the human digestive system. This is buccal cavity, salivary gland, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Human digestive system. The digestion starts with the buccal cavity. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down into small pieces. Our mouth has the salivary glands which secrete saliva. The saliva breaks down the starch into sugars. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and can be moved in all directions. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck and the chest. Food is pushed down by movement of the wall of the food pipe. Actually, this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downwards. Then the food enters in the stomach. The stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like a flattened J and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of the stomach. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juices to act. The digestive juices break down the proteins into similar substances. Then the food enters in the small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and it is about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Besides, its wall also secretes juices. The partially digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where the initial juices completes the digestion of all components of the food. The carbohydrate gets broken down into similar sugars such as glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids. Absorption in the small intestine. The digested food can now pass into these blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported through the blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as proteins required by the body. This is called assimilation. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed enters into the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there in semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. Human I have now explained everything about the human digestive system. But what is the importance of digestion? Digestion is important for breaking down of food into nutrients which the body uses for energy, growth and cell repair. Food and drink must be changed into smaller molecules of nutrients before the blood absorbs them and carries them to cells throughout the body. From this, I conclude that the digestive process involves five major steps. First, ingestion, second, digestion, third, absorption, fourth, assimilation, and fifth, egestion. The human digestive system is a complex network of organs and tissues responsible for the breakdown, absorption, and processing of food and nutrients. It consists of several key parts, each with its specific function. So, eat healthy and be healthy. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video.